it's so much harder to live without insurance, because when someone steals your insurance, they also steal your social security. And by that, I mean they still makes you feel secure about your place in society. Think of white privilege as a prepaid insurance program with different benefits based on gender, income, and sexual orientation. Sometimes being a minority means you don't get insurance at all. Sometimes it means you have to make bad deals. But there are a variety of packages for sale, including the Black and Middle Class package. It comes with a reduced mortgage, a decent-sized house, anxiety about connecting to your cultural roots, and countless microaggressions from the right friends and coworkers. Buy now! Or later, or anytime really. It's not like you ever had a choice. And if you don't like these options, we have others for sale. We can put you in our torture chambers, correctional facilities. Actually, that brings us to the prisoner package. Prisons will treat you like that one mistake is everything you are. People will treat you like that one mistake is everything you are. You will look inside yourself and say that one mistake is not everything I am. But the funny thing is, after we traumatize you, scar you, and make it nearly impossible for you to get a job, you'll probably end up back here again, and people will still say we're all equal. They will say that this debt has been paid, but when they tell you that this debt has been paid, tell them putting Harriet Tubman on the $20 bill will not pay for this. Tell them that this debt will never be paid. Not even if we tax white guilt daily. Not even if we tax every white man who thought he was rocking dreadlocks. Not even if we tax every white person who was like, ugh, I would never date a black person. No offense, though. I'm not a racist. It's just like my personal preference. Not even if we tax every white person who was like, well, slaves were well-fed and cared for, so that just makes everything okay, right? You call us trivial. But I know you're not even looking at our bank statements. You refuse to look at the receipt that injustice has billed to so many. You're too weak to look at the systemic sufferings of millions. But let me tell you this. Being treated like property is a tax too heavy for anyone to hold. And even with affirmative action and PC culture and movement after movement, this debt will never be paid. This bill of suffering will never be paid for. History has taught me that when something is stolen, it is rarely given back. No one is going to accept someone with a credit score as low as yours, even if they're the ones who gave it to you.